Hi, welcome. Today, I want to talk to you about the latest release at EA, the Prompt Library. The Prompt Library has been developed by senior analysts who have seen all sorts of forms and prompts and know how to help you get the answers you want to your forms from AI. How to access this library is to go to Autofill, Autofill New Form. I'm just going to quickly drag in an ESG questionnaire here, click Continue, and be presented with the usual window that we're presented with. We have our deadlines, we have the knowledge base access, but now instead of writing something in the box here, we can click on Templates. We can see all sorts of different templates, including ESG, DDQ, KYC, generic projects, or cybersecurity. So this is an ESG questionnaire, so I'm just going to click on the ESG tab, and I will go for the brief summary. Within Orange here, we have all of the different variables that we can change. So I'm going to change the project name to Project XYZ. My key sustainability efforts are going to be the reduction of Scope 3 emissions. I'm going to delete the governance practices because that's not a key part of this survey. And the community impact that I want to change is the creation of jobs within the local community. So what we have here is a very concise prompt that says generate a concise summary of ESG practices for Project XYZ, mention the reduction of Scope 3 emissions and creation of jobs in the local community in short, clear sentences. If we wanted a little bit more detail, we can obviously go back into our templates and click on the detailed project report, or we have other things such as DDQ, KYC, and project, as I say. These can be used as scaffoldings for you to create your own prompts, but as you've seen here, just filling in those orange blank spaces will create a very good answer. From here, we just need to scroll down and we can click on our usual generate answers and the AI will do its work according to this prompt. If you have any questions, use the Get Help button in the bottom left-hand corner or just send us an email. Thanks a lot.